In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly share a Dropbox file or folder by email. Start by logging into your Dropbox account and finding the file or folder you want to share. Hover over it and click Share. Dropbox will instantly create a shareable link. Hit Copy Link and you're ready to go. Now open your email. Let's use Outlook as an example. Click New Email and enter your recipient's address in the To field. Add a subject line, then paste the Dropbox link right into the body of your email. You can also add a short note to explain what you're sending. Before hitting send, double check the recipient's email, your subject, and that the link is working. Once everything looks good, press send. Your recipient will be able to access the file directly from the link based on the permissions you've set in Dropbox. And that's it. Fast, secure, and hassle-free file sharing with Dropbox and email. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.